What's up everybody, this is Mild Fantasy here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Uncharted 4 a few years then Libertalia Collectors Edition. So, if you look at the front of the box, you'll see that there's PS4 at the top, there's no blue bar at the top, it's just one whole picture, which is nice. Quite a tall box, it looks nice. On the side there, if I get a good light on it, PS4, Uncharted 4. Same on the other side there, and on the back you get a little description of the game and what it comes with, so you could read that if you want. Multiplayer, this is what it comes with. I'll just lay it down in a second, it's a lot easier. A 30cm Nathan Drake statue, an art book, steelbook, and a bunch of DLC, PS4 theme, a ton, skins, points, cosmetic stuff mostly, but there's that. And that's what it looks like there. And that's all the stuff there. The bottom is nothing on there. And on the top it says PS4. So let's open this up. Pull the tab down. Open this up. Okay, straight away we have the Uncharted 4 steelbook. This is a really nice steelbook. I'll just put this to the side a second. And the art book. So let's get to the art book first. As you can see, it's a small art book. It's not a full-sized art book, but it's quite a nice art book. You see on the side there, Uncharted 4. Back there. Flick through a little bit. Alright, so that's the art book. There. And this is the steelbook. Steelbook is really nice. I love the art on the front, the colours. It looks like a really nice steelbook. Binding's pretty plain there. This says Uncharted 4 on it. The back, same art. As you open this up, there'd be codes in there. So let me just cover them. This is one of the DLC slips for, I think this is the collector's edition content, or the Libertalia edition content. This is another slip which just contains other codes which I think would normally come in the limited edition. This is just an advertisement for PlayStation Plus, and it comes with a bunch of stickers, I think. I'm not going to use them, but it comes with them anyway. Yeah. The back of the steelbook here has a map on it. It looks really nice. That, as well as the front, makes this a really nice steelbook. Let me just put this back in a sec. Then I'll get the statue out. Right, now let's get this statue out. It might be a bit difficult to get it out one-handed, but I'll try. Here we go. This is the statue here, in this box, if I can find where to open it. There we go. Just a plain white box, there's nothing on this one. Then you open up the flap. That's the wrong way around. That's upside down. Turn it over. There. And open this flap. Here we see a polystyrene with a PlayStation logo on it. Take out the polystyrene. There's the statue. There we go. So here's the statue of Nathan Drake. It's quite a big statue. It's the thing I've noticed with a lot of collector's edition statues, is that the paint and detail isn't really that great, but it's still quite a nice statue, don't get me wrong. So yeah, this statue is set at the back of the box, 30 centimeters tall. It's quite a tall statue, quite a nice statue as well. The only thing I'd have with it is that he's leaning forward, so it can make it a bit awkward if you're looking at it from above. Just look like that, instead of him standing up straight. But, you know, not that much of a big deal. Still quite a nice statue and quite a nice addition as well. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to comment, rate and subscribe. Bye.